Hey guys, welcome to another video. I decided to finally just, show my kittens. Meet him. Meet Mist. He's a big cutie. They're still young, so they all have blue eyes. And they're little cuties. Super cute. There's about 6 of them. One was born without light. This one's the biggest one. Say hi, Mist. The mom's name is Misty, so decided to call this guy Mist because he's a boy. He's still very young, so we had to get him vaccinated though, but still, actually no, I'm pretty sure we have gotten him vaccinated. We're still able to pet him now because they're just not old enough and they're starting to walk around. Look, you can see his eyes. Well, soon I'll show all the babies, but that's another vid. See y'all.